Samsung has come out with yet another device that is overpriced, shiny, state-of-the-art, and the most advanced device you have ever seen. And there's a good chance I'm going to buy it. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 with a price tag of $1,799.99. But they hide it. They hide it right there behind that strike through line. When that line is there, you cannot see the real price. That is why Samsung does this. The real price becomes invisible to anybody who's looking. You don't even know how much this device really costs. The real price is only $999.99. At least that's what they want you to think. But how do we get from $17.99 to $9.99? Well, we trade in, of course. What do we trade in? We trade in the device we bought last year for $1,799 for $800. Not bad when you think about it. Sure, you can sell on your own, but then you have selling fees, payment processing fees, shipping fees. Then you have to ship and hope the buyer isn't a complete scumbag and they don't try to run some sort of scam on you. It is the internet after all. The least likely place to see a scam. So we're trading in our Z Fold 2 for $800. Sammy is giving us another $200 in credit, and 100 of that can get us an immediate upgrade from 256 to 512 gigs of storage. The only drawback is the color options go from black, green, and silver to just black. Not the end of the world. You're gonna put a case or a skin on it, so it really doesn't matter. Is this smart? Am I making the right decision here? I still have a Note 20 Ultra and an S21 Ultra that I can trade in, so let's investigate. When trading in my Note 20 Ultra, Samsung will give me $750. Let's compare. Now, I paid $1,799 for my Z Fold 2. The Note 20 Ultra cost me $1199.99. So for a difference of $600 between the Z Fold 2 and the Note 20 Ultra, I'm only losing $50 difference on the trade-in. This is a no-brainer, but let's be thorough. I'm going to go ahead and check and see what I can get for my S21 Ultra. It's not looking much better. My S21 Ultra cost me $1249 since I upgraded the memory. But here is where I am exposing Samsung as a ripoff artist. That's right, I'm calling them out right now. Samsung, you're running scams. You're running games on people. They have this button. Add another device to the trade. So I can trade in not just one, but two devices. Now, if I select the first device to trade in, my Galaxy Z Fold 2, they give me $800. But if I select the second device as the Z Fold 2, they only give me $600. They're offering us $200 less on the second device. This didn't sit well with me, so I reached out to Samsung and I asked for some help. I was hoping that they would apologize, take my order, and apply a credit for the difference to make up for what seemed to be a glitch on the website. But there is no such glitch. Samsung had explained to me that they are only able to offer a limited amount on the second trade. End of discussion. It's over. This is what they're willing to do. If you don't like it, don't trade in your second device.
Excuse me. Excuse me. All right, move on. Nothing to see here. Please disperse. Nothing to see here.
So, what you need to do is weigh out your options. First, let's acknowledge this problem or situation will only affect a small number of consumers, like crazy, wacky tech people like me. Second, you have to take into account the ease in which you are trading in your device. What is your time worth to you? Samsung is making it really easy to take them real expensive devices off of our hands for the cheap, and then they will gladly recycle them right back into the market any way they want. Let's face it, this is a horrible video, and you only came here to hear me trash talk Samsung. I hope I was able to deliver. Subscribe, drop comments, like the video. It helps tell YouTube I'm not completely worthless, and I appreciate your support. I'm going bald and will no longer be ending the videos in the historical for the love of tech manner. Get the out of my face. Thanks for watching.